Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a quick look at the Charbroil Bistro Pro 3-in-1 and walking you through the assembly and whether it's actually worth buying. First off, assembly. Plan on about an hour to an hour and a half. It's not difficult, but it does require patience. Lay everything out before you start because there aren't many spare screws, and mixing them up will slow you down. The cart base goes together first, then the cookbox mounts on top, and after that you add the side shelves. A small tip: don't fully tighten everything until all the screws are in place, especially on the side tables. Now, performance-wise, this thing is pretty unique. You get electric grilling, a griddle insert, and even charcoal cooking all in one unit. The electric mode heats up fast and can hit around 600 degrees, which is great for searing steaks. Charcoal ignition is also surprisingly simple using the built-in element. Downsides? No airflow control for charcoal, and it really needs proper covering or it can rust. Overall, if you're in an apartment or condo and want real BBQ flexibility, it's a solid buy. If you've got a full backyard setup already, you might not need it.